day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to explore the smart notification feature of this wearable. As you can see here, we have the support for push notifications. So we will check this one and let's see if it works or compatible with the following applications. So we have here the Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, Viber, and we also have the text messages. So we will check if the push notification works with the following app here in our smartphone, and of course the text messages. So if you are interested to see how the smart notification works, watch this video, and of course support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the smart notification feature of the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch. We are already paired with the support app. We have the Realme Link application. So we have here the applications, and let's double check and explore the settings for the notifications. So we have here, it's already activated. So we'll not activate this one so we can receive notifications even though we are not wearing the wearable. Okay, or the screen is activated. So we have here the WhatsApp application. Here for the text messages, we have Instagram, Messenger, we have messages. Let's double check. Seems like everything is okay here. We have the Viber is also activated. Then let's go here. When we install the support app, we notice the quick message reply. So this one, I'm not sure if this is for the Bluetooth call or for the push notifications. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see if we can add one. Sample quick reply. Oh, quick response. Then that's it. Okay, again, sample quick response. Let's add another one. How are you? Can we add an emoji? No, there's no option for emoji. Okay, again, how are you? Let's see. Is it okay now? Okay, seems like it is synchronizing. Okay, that's it. So let's start. After our demo with the Messenger, let's have the WhatsApp application. Let's say hello. So the same procedure. Let's try. Let's send a message. Do we have a notification? Let's delete this first. And we have the message here. So we have a logo, we have the name of the application, the message, and we also have a quick reply here. Okay, so it works. Next, we will not try anymore the number of characters. As you can see on our previous demo, we do have a good support for it, as well as the emoji. Let's try the call. Let's see if the same with Messenger. It's calling. So we only have, seems like we only have call notification for WhatsApp application. You cannot answer calls here. As you can see, incoming voice call, only notification. Next, let's have the Instagram. Let's say hello also. Hello, Cindy. send a message. And we have the message here. Hello, Cindy. The same style or the same steps here. We have the quick reply. Let's have the demo of the quick reply. And we have it here. And of course the call. Do we have, can we answer calls also? It's now ringing. Then end call. I guess it's only call notification. The same with the WhatsApp application. Okay, we did not receive any notification here. I don't know if there's a support. Again, as you can see, our other phone here is ringing. Let's deny the call here, or let's end the call, and let's see. So seems like there's no call notification support for Instagram. Only for the WhatsApp, and for the Messenger you can answer the calls. Next, let's have the Viber app. Hi, how are you? Send a message. We already activated the Viber app there. I don't know if we do have a support, or we can receive, yes, seems like we can receive notification. The only thing is that, as you can see here, we don't have a logo of Viber, only the name of the app. We do have the generic Android logo here. We have the name of the sender, the message, and the time, and a quick reply. Let's have this one. How are you? And we have the quick reply option here. So it works with the Viber application. So before we start with the SMS, let's double check our settings here. Maybe there are some additional settings. On screen time, raise to wake, double tap to wake, and that's it. There's no settings anymore. Do we have an option for the messages? No, we don't have. Sound and vibration. Incoming calls. We have a ringtone here. Message ringtone. Let's see. Okay, so we do have a ringtone here. Let's try. Vibration. High. Okay, medium. Vibration feedback. Incoming call. System volume. Okay, let's try. Let's have for the messenger, for the ringtone. Can we receive a notification, or there's a sound? Okay, so there's a sound here. How about for the call? Yes, we do have a sound here. Nice. Okay, next. Okay, next, let's have the SMS notification. So let's send a message. Hello, how are you? Let's send this one. Let's see if we can receive a quick reply. So we have here the message. Hello, how are you? And let's see. Sorry, I can't talk right now. Quick reply. And we have here the quick reply for SMS. So it works with SMS or text messages, and with quick reply option for our Realme Watch 5 smartwatch. So far, it is a very good smart notification for the Realme Watch 5 with support for quick reply or quick response, and you can also add your own quick reply. If you have any questions regarding this demo, drop a comment below. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.